LLMs are great at predicting the next word. But real innovation isn't about prediction, it's about collision. I built Lateral Lens, an AI venture architect that forces Gemini 3 Pro to think sideways. Using Edward de Bono's lateral thinking frameworks. Here's a real challenge. Create a fun, novel gym concept for neighborhoods. I'll use 6 thinking hats. This splits the problem into 6 cognitive perspectives. Watch this. Isn't just text generation. Gemini 3 Pro is running with thinkingConfig enabled, allocating thousands of tokens to reason through each hat before generating output. And here are the results: 6 distinct perspectives, each color-coded. White hat gives us market data. Red hat explores emotional branding. But the real power: Venture Architect mode. This runs all 5 thinking strategies in parallel, then ranks the results like AVC with financial projections. 22 concepts scored with ROI estimates. First, deep reasoning. We use Gemini 3 Pro Preview with thinkingConfig. The model doesn't just complete text, it simulates cognitive frameworks. Second, structured output. JSON Schema mode extracts rankings and financial metrics. Third, parallel strategies. 5 techniques run simultaneously, then aggregate into unified rankings. This isn't prompt engineering. It's cognitive architecture. Every startup begins with ideation. But traditional brainstorming produces incremental ideas. Lateral Lens forces lateral jumps. Connections your brain literally cannot make on its own. The result: blue ocean concepts with built-in competitive moats. Lateral Lens proves that with the right thinking budget, AI becomes more than productive, it becomes genuinely creative.